what do you think is the best way to behave in the social media?
You know, ako kasi for example, bastos ako. Bastos ako pero hindi ako nang babastos ng tao. Unless you start something with me. For example, si Jessie's an advocate of no to body shaming. Diba? She's an advocate of that. There was one article, I'm not sure who wrote it, ang sabi nila sa akin, bakit palalayo si Jessie sa body shaming kung si Luis nga ang numero unong manglait? Kasi sa mga kaaway ko on social media. Ang sa akin naman kasi is, you know, I fight fire with fire. Hindi ako nagsisimula ng gulo. I don't go on people's pages para magsimula ng gulo to bash. Hindi. If you look at the States, ito medyo weird analogy to. Sometimes pag sobrang lala ng apoy sa mga forest fire, pag hindi na kaya ng chemical, ano ginagawa nila? Apoy. Susunugin nila yung ahead na area para hindi na kumalat ng apoy. I fight fire with fire. If you start shit with me, open na tayo. I mean, there are no rules. You bashed me, so bakit ako mag-a-adjust sa rules? There's etiquette in bashing? That's stupid. Parang it's somewhat of an oxymoron. Diba? You start shit. I'll make fun of you if you make fun of me. Di naman tayo nakikipaglokohan dito. Tinitira mo pamilya ko, for example. Oh, why would I hold back pag ako tumira sa'yo? Ayoko mag-body shame, pero you open the floodgates, let's play. Yun lang naman yun eh. I don't go on people's pages na para manggulo. So, I mean, the way you behave, as long as wala kang binabastos na tao. Diba? Ako, makulit ako. You see my posts. Paminsan-minsan may pilyo.
Pag gusto kong tumawa, pumunta ka sa
Thank you very much. Paminsan-minsan may post ako na wala pang 5 minutes, Instagram takes it down. People don't understand na may post ay para magpasaya lang.
Totoo? Tinitake lang yung iba?
Ang dami ko ng post na tinatanggal nila after mga 10 minutes.
Okay.
Don't you understand na it's, just lang. Diba? Wala naman tinatapakan. I'm not making fun of any religion. I'm not making fun of, any sectoral, nothing. So nagre-report pa rin sila, all they can do, why don't you unfollow? Huwag ka na, diba? Pinapabigat mo pa yung sarili mo eh. It's one click.
Buti hindi pa
mag-report. Effort mag-report. Basta follow ka pa rin naman, di ba? Kung hindi, kaya nga ang linaw-linaw ng header ko, di ba? Kung hindi mo gusto ang post ko, please unfollow. How hard could it be? Di ba? Nandun pa doon, no DM of selfies. Magugulat kayo sa amount ng selfies na nakukuha ko, ha? But as DM.
But you're so active on social media. But
I'm
curious.
What my mom used to tell me, anak, don't be too available.
Yeah.
That's my mom's advice before. Naalala ko, sinasabi niya dati na don't be too available, keep that shroud of mystery. Diba? Kahit parang ganun. Pero sa akin kasi hindi eh. Para sa akin, you're given this one medium to be a lot more personal with your fans. With people who appreciate what you do. Kasi pag pinapanood nila ako sa TV, pag may gusto silang itanong, hindi ko naman sasagutin.
Yes.
So ako gusto ko, I prefer, I'm thankful that social media gives a very, very, it's a more personal relationship.
Levels of.
Yeah, with me and my fans. In fact, sabi ko nga, doon sa isang Facebook page ko, for example, sabi ko, if you want to watch, my tapings, if you want to see how things work, message, one of the admins will get in touch with you. You're more than welcome. If you want to talk to me, tara. Para sa akin, I think it may be a double-edged sword. Na ganyan, you're more accessible, you lose the mystery. Pero para sa akin, I'd rather maximize what we have. Hindi mo pwede i-deny, social media is there. Diba? You can't be a hermit naman and say na hindi, para aabangan niyo ako. Hindi, I'd rather talk to my fans. I'd rather hang out with my fans, makipagkulitan. It's all because of social media.
But being visible, I'm just curious kasi you didn't make it to the list of nominees sa Push Awards.
For what?
For
Best Male Host?
No, parang ang tawag nito, ano nga ba yun?
Female celebrity.
Oo, male celebrity.
Parang influential sa Twitter. Hinahanap kasi yun ng mga president. Bakit wala dun si Luis? Si Luis yung pinaka-active.
Kasi we know na you're the most
Hindi,
active.
ako naman, I'll be the first one to admit, this isn't, pa-cute or pa-humble. I can say I'm not popular. I'm not the leading man type. Sabi ko to, I'm not leading man type na kinakikiligan, na kaya kong pumuno ng venue pag nag-mall show. Pag nag-mall show ako, 3 lang pumunta, magkakaaway pa yung 3 yun. Diba? Hindi ako yung ganong klaseng artista. Hindi ako yung kinakikiligan. No, sabi ko, hindi ako yung, oh my God, si Luis. Ako yung type na pag may nakita isang tao na isang tagahanga, high five ako. Luis, oy, lupit ng ganito. Mas gugustuhin ko pa yun. I prefer that kind of a personal relationship. Hindi ako I'm known. But I'm not popular.
Yeah,
so okay lang sa akin yun. I'm not a leading man na, di ba yung, oh hey guys, pabata mga kung ano. Hindi. Ako yung familiar face. But I'd like to think I get the job done sa lahat ng binibigay sa akin.
Being known and being active in showbiz, ano yung namimiss mo sa personal mong activities before?
Wala. I mean, before wala. But it's basically goodbye privacy. Yun naman talaga yun. And kahit hindi pa ako showbiz, ganun na ako sa family ko. Because I grew up with that environment. Pero even if you lose your privacy, the pros will always outweigh the cons. I was talking to a friend the other day. Sabi niya, is it worth it? It's like, you have no idea. Besides the pay. Okay.
Yeah.
Besides the pay. Sabi ko, for example, if you're at the mall, you see a lola. Yung lola na alam mong may pinagdadaanan siya. For example, she sees you, mapapangiti siya, mapapapicture sa'yo ang isang lola, tapos alam mong kung ano man ang problema niya for that day, makakalimut niya because of that picture. Not everyone is given that gift. That gift of, it's not power, it's influence.
Yeah.
Na isip mo, di ko alam kung anong pinagdadaanan mo sa bahay, pero dahil sa isang picture, nakikita ko yung that glow in her eyes. So even that one instance is worth all the hassle that comes with what I do. Diba your personal life is an open book? Diba? Oh well.
And for this